Hello, everyone. I'm back again with yet another episode of Dil Se segment. COVID is difficult and it is tough. Hope, friendship, love, and motivation are the only channels which will keep us tuned in. Let's connect with each other and stand by each other. Today, we have a popular, sizzling, and one of the well known Bay Area personalities with us. He's special, he's outstanding, and immensely talented. He's none other than Sunny Moza. Aapka apna Sunny Moza. Yes, the same super energetic voices, the fun voices we often hear on Radio Zindagi every now and then. Let's look into his journey as an actor, radio jockey, stand up comedian, musician, TV host, and many more prevailing talents in him. Wow, that's amazing. He started through leading Indian television and was seen in one of the high-rated TV dramas like Bhabhi and Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Wow, that was my favorite. I adore his work right from his outstanding performance in Babaru and Kaya to soothing music videos like Ab Laut Aa. And of course, one of his movies, acting projects, music videos accompanying his current profile. He always manages to spread good message through his short films, which is personally my favorite and has received rewards and recognition for doing so. For example, Kurse is, did I say that correct, Sunny?
That's actually curse. It's spelled with a K.
Okay, you have to forgive me. Curse.
No problem.
Okay, Curse is one of his best short films. I like the responsible social activist in him, which is rare and epitome of humanity and peace. In addition to his super hit performance in Babaru, we have many of his accomplishments, including but not limited to his remarkable acting in movie According to Plan A alongside the Bollywood actor Ali Fazal, which also received an award as the best of the feast at Riverside International Film Festival. Did I say that correct?
Yes.
All right. And the following year, he was also seen in a music video alongside Suniti Chauhan, which was Ab Laut Aa. Okay. And I personally liked his work in the silent thriller at NDTV channel. And of course, Radio Zindagi is always the most entertaining work we all know of him. So let us hear what Sunny has to say about his struggle to success and how he manages to keep the motivation level up and running. Positivity to life is the only key to live the life fullest. Thank you so much, Sunny, for joining me today. It's a pleasure. How are you doing today?
Thank you, Afshan. First of all, thank you for having me here. I am feeling great. I am feeling very powerful. आज मैंने वक्त बदल दिया है अपनी सारी घड़ियों का. Thanks to the daylight savings time. So I'm feeling really good.
Okay, that is amazing. That is amazing. And I must say your background is full of oxygen, full of life.
You said so many good things about me that I was also waiting for कि किसकी बात कर रही है. I also want to meet that person.
विकिपीडिया पे देखा है सनी मैंने सब कुछ. आप तो विकिपीडिया पे हो. तो you know all your accomplishments. In fact, मैंने कट शॉर्ट किया है. बहुत लंबा था.
नहीं काफी बहुत ज्यादा है.
मैं बोला सनी को सुलाने नहीं बुला रही हूँ, अब सो जाओगे, तो मैंने फिर थोड़ा सा कट शॉर्ट कर दिया.
नहीं आपके साथ कोई सो नहीं सकता. आपके साथ हमेशा लोग, जैसे आपने कहा एनर्जी, आपके साथ भी एनर्जी बनी रहती है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट.
Thank you so much, my dear. So yeah, Sunny, I'm really interested and fascinated with how you have grown into what you are today. And let's see कि मतलब सी कोई जर्नी आसान नहीं होती, right? जाहिर सी बात है, आपको भी काफी लोगों ने ढकेला होगा, नीचे ऊपर करने की कोशिश की होगी, लेकिन आप जुटे रहे, आप लगे रहे, तो वो बहुत मोटिवेटिंग है. तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि at what age did you get the idea to become Sunny Moza? How old were you? And I'm just trying to find out at what age you realized that you have acting, modeling, comedian, and all these skills in you, and where have you started your journey in life?
Interesting question. The way you posed it, this when did I get the idea of becoming Sunny Moza? I think my parents has this idea of making me Sunny Moza, so they named me Sunny Moza.
Okay.
But your question, but I think to your question, I was always a very shy kid who loved performing. I never was able to talk in front of people, but I could perform in front of any number of people. So I think that's how it started back in school. Like even at the time, jab school bus kabhi late hoti thi, the teacher used to just say, okay, Moza, come perform. I didn't know what to perform. I would just make up something, sing, just do something. So I was the guy who would people call upon for entertainment. The one thing that I do remember distinctly, which happened after early in my college, it was stand-up comedy, because that is one thing which was not planned. It just happened, and it was so terrifying that I still remember it. So I think in first year college, I believe. I think I was in first year, and there is this India mein colleges ke festival hote hain, multiple colleges come and they have like yearly festival.
Correct.
We had the same thing going on, and we had to go to a different college, and every college gets a slot of like 20 minutes or so to perform. Our college also had a 20-minute slot, and they had to perform some cultural thing, and they had something. They had about 2 or 3 minutes short. So they said, Moza, you do some mimicry, na? Do some mimicry. I'm like, 2-3 minutes I can do. That's no problem. I can do, Sanjay Dutt and all that good. I can do, no problem. Then 2 days before the festival, they say, you know what? Our other act got cancelled. Now you manage 20 minutes. I'm like, what do I do for 20 minutes? Like, I don't know those people. They said there were seniors. They're like, you have to do it no matter what. So I slogged. I listened to, I don't know how many, 3 or 4 stand-up comedy tapes, like 24-hour, completely like immersed myself, copied all the jokes that I had, turned them into my own format, and basically prepared myself in less than 24 hours. And I was so nervous. I was shaking that day. And I went on the stage. And from the moment I stepped on the stage, I have no recollection of what happened. I just did what I had to do. And towards the end of my set, I saw people were actually rolling on the floors laughing. The person who was supposed to take my pictures, he forgot to take pictures because he's laughing so much. It became a big hit, but it was a nervous wreck for me. So that's the only thing I remember.
So वो एक discovery moment था, finding yourself moment भी था, because आप multi-talented है, काफी चीजें आप कर सकते हैं जो rare है. It's a gifted quality, right? People who are gifted can do it. So that was a kind of discovery moment for you. And let me tell you, stand-up comedy सबकी बस की बात नहीं है. Actually सबकी बस की बात नहीं है. लोगों को रुलाना बहुत आसान है, हंसाना सबसे मुश्किल है.
So, yeah. Even today, I think stand-up, out of all the things that I do, stand-up is the most toughest, because you never know what will happen when you go on stage, and people expect that you will make them laugh. So that's very, very, very difficult and very nerve-wracking still.
Wow. I'm coming for your next show with family, with friends. Well, I did research on Google and YouTube, because the moment I saw RJ and stand-up comedian, because मैं एक चीज और बोलना चाहती हूँ सनी, कि आपके ही प्रोफाइल में मैंने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी देखी है. जितने और लोगों के साथ में टॉक शो के बारे में डिस्कशन कर रही हूँ या काम कर रही हूँ, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी एक इतनी रेयर क्वालिटी है, हर कोई नहीं कर पाता. So congratulations on that. God bless you. That was amazing.
Thank you. मैं भी कोशिश करता हूँ, लोग हंस लेते हैं, वरना मुश्किल है बहुत. अभी भी I don't have any formula, but हाँ, I try.
Good. So tell us more about your family and siblings.
Well, I'm married and I have a beautiful, beautiful dog. So that's my family. I live with my wife and my dog.
Okay, when you say beautiful, you're expected to say, you know what you're expected to say. Oh, bravo. Nice.
So yeah, that's my short and sweet family. That's what I live with, my wife and my dog. My wife's name is Nidhi and my dog's name is Leonie. So yeah, there you go.
Okay, and your siblings, you're from India, right? I mean, I'm from India too. I'm from
Hyderabad. No, so outside of this, I have like a huge family even here and in India. बहुत बड़ी family है. But when you talk about family, obviously, if I start listing everybody in my family, हमें 1-2 घंटे तो यहीं लग जाएंगे. My family probably has.
हम आपके कौन family से ही आते हैं, वही हमारा population है.
वही कई बार मैं अभी जो election चल रहे हैं, बाइडन की rally देखता हूँ, and I think in my head कि my family has more people than people in your rally.
Oh my God, that is so true. Oh God. And there are more people in Trump rally than in Biden, and yeah, that's amazing. Wow. Good to know that. What's your dog's name?
Leonie, like Sunny Leonie.
Uh-huh.
So
Wow.
her name is Leonie. I'm Sunny, so Sunny Leonie.
Wow. That's like, how do you come up with that? That's good. That's
Actually,
cute.
Nidhi came up with that name because Sunny Leonie is an actress, and we thought, you know what? And we like her. We have met her multiple times. I've hosted events for Sunny Leonie.
Beautiful. Mhm.
She's a very nice person and very, very nice looking as well. And she's like, you know what? Our dog is cute, so why don't we name her Leonie? So it'll be like Sunny Leonie combination. I'm like, yeah, why not? So
So cute. Very nice. Okay. So, Sunny, did you have a mentor or an idol that you were following, or did you have a dream before you could come this far, you know?
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं था ना ड्रीम था ना मेंटोर था ना कोई आइडल था बट आई डू टेंड टू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम अदर पीपल
Mm-hmm.
कि what to do and also what not to do but yes never had a mentor but I do believe that if you find a good mentor there's nothing like that and you should consider yourself very lucky if you have a good mentor.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Yeah.
That's amazing to know. So, once you decided that you wanted to do this, you wanted to explore the line of acting, being a model and a stand-up comedian and RJ. Oh God, I mean, you RJ so well. I and Alok had a chance to come on your show once, I remember. So, how did family and people around you reacted? Because these days everyone wants an engineer, doctor, architect. And I mean, ask me, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. तो यहाँ हमारे यहाँ जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो नाम से पहले ये बोला जाता है कि इंजीनियर बनेगा कि डॉक्टर. And Andhra Pradesh produces 80% of engineers in the world for no reason. And half of the engineers have done their MBS and are sitting in call center. So there is a problem.
So not much different from me as well. हमारे यहाँ भी पढ़ाई पे काफी stress है and बचपन में सिर्फ I knew that I want to become an actor as a kid, so I worked really hard, and when I grew up, I became an engineer. So I did my engineering. So my mom only had one criteria: do whatever you want to do, but always study, get a degree first, so that if something doesn't work out, you have something to fall back on. So I did my bachelor's in electrical engineering and master's in computer engineering.
You're an engineer. Wow.
Yes, master's किया है. पढ़ा लिखा लगता नहीं हूँ शक्ल से, लेकिन
अभी क्या करें, कॉमेडी और आरजे के पीछे लोग इतने फैन बन रहे हैं तो वो इंजीनियरिंग थोड़ा सा नीचे हो गई है, तो आज चलिए सामने आ गई वो चीज भी.
Yeah.
So your family was okay with your decision to get into explore the other areas of talent too.
So I think when I say my family, so my parents have passed away, but my mom was the main person that I had to get like an validation from, an approval from, like an Ashirwad. Even the stand-up comedy that I told you that I did the very first time, I was such a nerve wreck that that day before going to that college, like I went to my mom. I said, "Mom, Ashirwad de, aaj meri izzat ka faluda hone wala hai." And she said, "Don't worry, nothing will happen." And it became a huge hit. So I think I'm very lucky in the sense that I have a lot of blessings from my mom. And the only criteria my mom had कि भाई पढ़ाई तुम्हें पूरी करनी, you cannot leave पढ़ाई for something else. Do पढ़ाई, then if you want an opportunity, then you can do that. And I did that. So once I finished I got my master's degree, then I went to Bombay for a year just to test out कि होता क्या है वहाँ पर. I had no idea. In fact, when I booked my ticket to Bombay, I didn't even know where to land, like what to do, where to go.
Wow.
And I spent like first 3 months figuring that out. And that's when I did the series like Bhabhi and Kyunki Saas Bhi Bahu Thi. But in terms of, to answer your question about family, what did they say? So it's primarily my mom, and she was okay with me giving it some time to explore my passion.
Wow. So, I watched Babru, and of course, I do not know Kannada, but it's okay. We have English subtitles and everything. And it's an amazing movie. How did that happen? Because you were the show stealer, okay? You are the villain, the guy, like the show stealer. And I watched it, along with my kid and my friends. So how did that happen? That was a big, breakthrough. That was a success.
It was actually, many times you want certain things and those things don't happen the way you want it, but then somehow God gives you like a replacement or different thing, which is even better than that. I think that's what happened with Babru actually. So, before Babru, I shot this movie Kaya, which I co-wrote and co-produced with my friend, and I was the lead actor in that. My friend who was the cinematographer for Kaya, was the one who was directing Babru. Okay. And the casting was done for that movie. It was a Kannada movie, so there was no chance of me being in that movie. But there was one Spanish character for which they had cast somebody from Hollywood for that. It was all
Okay.
done. And then one day I was in East Coast, New Jersey, hosting some event, and I get
Uh-huh.
a call from here, from Bay Area, from a friend saying, "Hey, Sunny,
Uh-huh.
remember that movie I told you about?" I'm like, "Yeah, that Kannada movie." Like, "Oh,
Uh-huh.
we have a role for you." I'm like, "Me? What will I do?" And then he said, "Yeah, there's a role for you, and we're shooting in about, I think, next week or something."
Uh-huh.
So that was it. I didn't know. So I came back. He explained the whole story to me. I never read the script because the script was in Kannada. So he
Uh-huh.
narrated the whole story. And this the whole process of shooting that. And then not just that, when it released last year and when I went to Bangalore for the whole release process screening, the
Uh-huh.
whole experience was amazing. The amount
Amazing.
of love that I got from Bangalore people was super.
Super. So, that is the job satisfaction point. That is our, living. मुझे बड़ी खुशी मिलती है your customer reviews, your fan reviews, and the experience of working with the whole crew. Oh, that's so. आपके केस में लगता है ज्यादातर आपके आसपास के लोग आपके अंदर के छुपे हुए टैलेंट को पहचानते हैं और आपको स्टेज पे घसीट ले आते हैं, जैसा आपके साथ हुआ वो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी में उसमें तो
वहां वहां टैलेंट को नहीं पहचाना था, वहां उन्हें बकरा चाहिए था, तो वहां बकरा मैं था। वो लकीली काम बन गया, लेकिन इवेंचुअली बकरा था उनके लिए मैं।
बकरा तो मतलब कहीं से भी नहीं लग रहा है, बट हो सकता है, बट मे बी दे मस्ट हैव मेड फूल्स ऑफ देमसेल्व्स बिकॉज़ सी यू डिड कम आउट एज अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन। कॉमेडी तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बहुत मुश्किल। या
कॉमेडी मुश्किल है, यस एब्सोल्युटली, या
तो आपने
एंड
मतलब हाँ जी, गो अहेड।
I was going to say that, comedy mushkil hai, but I have been doing like comedy for private events and corporate events for many years now. But because they were not public events, lots of my friends in here did not know. But 2 years ago, since the Indian stand-up comics started coming here, I've been
यस
opening the shows for almost all of them, Amit
आई
Tandon,
नो।
Zakir Khan, and all that.
या आई
So
नो।
because of them, I got like a huge audience for the first 15-20 minutes. So thanks to them, वो भी थोड़ा एक luck factor हो गया, where people got to see my stand-up comedy, and I got such a huge audience because they were stars, and then I rode on, on their success and got 15-20 minutes in the beginning for opening their acts.
वाह! हाँ, मैंने काफ़ी शोज़ विटनेस किए हैं आपके, एंड जो बिगिनिंग का सेगमेंट होता है टू वार्म अप द ऑडियंस बिफोर द द स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन कम्स इन, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। तो आई थिंक मैंने आपको जाकिर खान और एक और अमित के शो पे भी मैंने शायद आपको देखा था। तो या आई रिमेंबर यू फ्रॉम दोज़ डेज़, बट आई
Yeah,
आई
क्योंकि
विल लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर योर स्टैंड अप कॉमेडीज़।
ऊपर से दूसरी प्रॉब्लम ये भी कि हम देसियों की प्रॉब्लम है वो, हम देसियों की आपने देखा होगा, वी आर नॉट वेरी ओपन अबाउट लाफिंग, वी फील गिल्टी कि हम हंस लिए, हमने
कंजूसी
किसी
से
का,
हंसते हैं।
हाँ हम देखते हैं हंसना है कि नहीं, हम मन में हंसते हैं लेकिन ओपनली नहीं हंसते। सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन द एनवायरनमेंट इज राइट, व्हेन द लाइट्स आर डिम, यू थोड़ा एक दो गियर लगाओ, थोड़ा 5-6 मिनट को करो, तो फिर हंसी निकलती है।
निकलती है। फिर कोई हंसी की गोली या नहीं होता, वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते हैं हम।
वो खैर अब तो लीगल हो गया, मैरिजुआना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन करेंगे नहीं।
लीगल हो गया, वो काम कर सकता है। लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट समबडी टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दैट, आई एम इन। क्या बात है जी, बढ़िया। अच्छा मुझे बताएं कि व्हेन डिड यू अचीव योर फर्स्ट ग्रेटेस्ट मोमेंट, फॉर व्हिच यू कैन लुक बैक एंड से दैट वाओ दैट्स माय अचीवमेंट, which can also be audience approval, the best moment of your life. I have something in my head. I want to know if you will give that same answer.
Okay, you want to tell first?
I think it's Babru. Did I say that correct? Babru, or it's Babru?
It's Babru. It's Babru, yeah.
It's Babru.
So basically, Babru, the name Babru comes from Mahabharata actually.
Okay.
Arjun, I did not know that before.
Mm-hmm.
Arjun's son was named Babru Vahana.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
And in the movie, the Babru is basically a license plate of a car.
Yes.
And car is also Vahana in Hindi and Kannada. So
Yes.
Babru Vahana. So it's like that link. So that's the reason the name is Babru.
Babru.
Yeah,
Babru.
Babru.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no, Babru is one of the things, like, Afshan, I feel very fortunate in my life in general. There have been tons of moments that I cherish, if I can remember, because I have this thing that I forget things. Be it good or bad things, मैं भूल जाता हूँ till somebody reminds me. So if you had not said Babru right now, I would have not even named Babru at all.
Oh my God. I shouldn't do it.
Because I was thinking, what are the highlights? There have been many highlights, but I think पहली तो academic highlight थी when I passed my bachelor's. I was named the most outstanding student at the time. I didn't expect that. it is a very rare thing that happens because I think I was also the only guy in the entire batch who did not flunk a single exam in the entire 4 years. Everybody always had like one down. It's not a big deal of having one exam paper fail because you can make up in the next semester. But I was the only guy who did not fail throughout the 4 years. That was one of the factors, but there were other factors they considered, and I got the most outstanding student at the time. So I was very happy about that.
माशाल्लाह आपको वाकई में
नहीं उसके अलावा I think like you said कि कई बार when you get unsolicited feedback from celebrities, appreciation from Bollywood actors to Nobel Prize winners, it feels very good because when you see a Nobel Prize winner who has no clue about India or Bollywood and he comes up to you and says, Sunny, you did a great job, you were whatever, right? It feels really good. And kids, I love when kids not give good feedback, when actually they come up to me and say some sweet things because kids won't lie. And in fact, ऐसा 2-4 बार हुआ है when parents have told me, actually messaged me, it's all written on my, actually one or two are on my Yelp review as well, that their kids have been talking about me in their homes. And they're like, why is this 5-7-year-old kid talking about Sunny Moza? And then they told me that, hey, they liked you so much because I host these lots of dance shows and all that. Na? So they get, I don't know what they think, but kids are very nice when they appreciate. But एक चीज मुझे अभी याद आई यार, एक चीज मुझे अभी याद आई, and that was something that might not happen again. And it was something very different. So after the first Amit Tandon stand-up comedy show, which was in beginning 2018, which I performed in.
Correct. I remember.
After that, I got a call from somebody saying, this uncle wants to meet you. So let me actually back up and tell you the whole story. So I had done a Nukkad Natak many years ago, and this group of seniors had seen me perform, and they had come up to me and said, this is, and that's also recorded. I recorded the whole thing. It's on my YouTube channel somewhere. So that uncles were very nice, that Sunny, you did such a good job, blah, blah, blah. And then I did this stand-up comedy show. And even that day he met me and he said, Sunny, fantastic, maza aa gaya, remember me? I'm like, okay, fine. And then after a few months, I got a call that this uncle was actually on his deathbed. And वो इतने lively, इतने जिंदा दिल uncle हैं वो. Even when he was on the deathbed, he had a plan. He wanted to do certain things before he passes away. He wanted to meet certain people before he passes away. And I was one name on his list. And he called me there, and I went and met him. I did not know him at all. Like, I just met him twice after the shows. And it was really fun because even when he was lying down, I cracked some jokes. He laughed. We did a high five, and then I left. So I think that because of his Zindadali, it made me, it was a huge honor for me just to be on his list to meet one more time. So yeah, that's a huge compliment, I feel.
That's beautiful. When you said about kids liking you, ये बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने कि बच्चे झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. And kids respond to positive energy. They respond to clean heart and clean thoughts, and that is so beautiful and very emotional. कि the other incident that you said कि वो जाने से पहले आपसे मिलना चाहते थे, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो वो एक vibe शेयर हुआ था, कहीं ना कहीं हार्ट टू हार्ट कनेक्शन हुआ था कि आप उनको याद रह गए. बहुत ही खूबसूरत वाकया है, बहुत खूबसूरत. चलिए जी, बढ़िया, आगे बढ़ते हैं. बहुत मजा आ रहा है सनी आपके किस्से और आपकी बातें सुन के.
मोजा आना चाहिए, मजा थोड़ी आना चाहिए आज तो.
क्या आना चाहिए?
मोजा.
हाँ, मोजा आना चाहिए. मोजा आ रहा है. Okay, Moza ji. So, if you have to give one advice to, okay, now you're going to hate me because I'm going to ask you a very job-seeking question, because आपको तो पता है मैं placement industry से हूँ. मेरा काम है job दिलवाना. तो उससे
बड़ा अच्छा काम है आपका. ये बड़ा noble काम है because so many people, we don't know what situations they are in, but getting a job, sometimes we take it for granted once we have it. It's very important to have a job.
Thank you Sunny Moza for your recommendation. आजकल ये हो गया है कि बहुत डेड एयर और डाउन टाइम चल रहा है और लोग बेचैन हो रहे हैं. काफी जॉब IT कंसल्टेंट्स को लेट गो कर दिया है. बैंकिंग हमारा सबसे बड़ा टारगेट एरिया था, वहां पे लोगों को लेट गो भी किया है, जॉब ओपनिंग्स भी बंद हो गई है. तो जनवरी टू फरवरी में आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ओपनिंग्स इन रिटेल एंड हेल्थ केयर, बट आने वाले 2 महीने तक अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ माय ऑडियंस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन बेंच विदाउट अ जॉब. So psychologically, it's the most difficult thing to deal with because I need them to be upbeat, motivated, and just stay on track, guys. Stay on track. पाइपलाइन बनाते रहो. मैंने बोला जनवरी फरवरी से आप लोगों को अपनी अपनी जॉब्स मिल जाएंगी. सो या थैंक यू फॉर द रिकमेंडेशन. हाँ जी, तो पूछना ये था सनी जी कि सी इफ यू हैव टू गिव वन एडवाइस टू पीपल, जॉब सीकर्स, कैंडिडेट्स aspiring to do well in their life, what would that be? Any advice coming straight from heart of Sunny Moza?
एब्सोल्युटली. अब पता नहीं कितने लोगों के लिए वो एक्चुअली सही काम करेगी कि नहीं, बट I believe in a higher power all the time. Like everybody goes through a downtime. There is no person who says ki I'm so smart. Sometimes we pretend on live streams and videos, look at me, and people say, oh, Sunny Moza great, or whoever it is. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. At the end of the day, when the camera closes, when the doors close, we are all the same. सबकी same insecurities हैं, सबके same struggles हैं. किसी का ज़्यादा है, किसी का कम है. But हाँ, if people don't have a job right now and they are worried, my only suggestion would be that what I would say to myself is, वरी करने से कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. What will happen is that you will also ruin your November and December also, जो holiday season है. तो let it be, because इस तरह सोचो कि in a normal, जब आपकी जॉब चल रही होती है, जब आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट मिला होता है, there's no way you can take a break. होती ही नहीं है. Like you don't get a 2-month break. So imagine, and we always say कि यार ब्रेक मिल जाती. हाँ, थोड़ा पैसों का इशू होगा because you're not on an active project right now. But रहता नहीं है. I mean, look back when you did not have anything at all. Then you got it, right? You will again get it. So and मैंने बहुत पहले एक कहानी पढ़ी थी, and many times when people ask me, give me one suggestion on what to do when I'm depressed, I tell them the same thing. एक कहानी थी, उसमें एक राजा अपने मंत्री से पूछता है कि यार मुझे कोई ऐसी चीज बताओ कि जब मैं बहुत दुखी हूं तो मैं थोड़ा खुश हो जाऊं या ठीक हो जाऊं, और अगर मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुश हूं, लाइक हवा में चढ़ गया हूं, तो जमीन पे आ जाऊं. क्या है? तो वो उसको बोलता है, वो उसको एक अंगूठी देता है जिसपे सिर्फ एक चीज लिखी होती है, एक लाइन लिखी होती है कि ये भी गुजर जाएगा. तो जब वो दुखी होता है, then he sees ये भी गुजर जाएगा, he becomes happy. जब बहुत हवा में चढ़ता है कि मैं बड़ा किंग हूं, अरे ये भी गुजर जाएगा, ओ यार ये भी, चलो जमीन पे आ जाओ. तो डोंट वरी, ये भी गुजर जाएगा और सब अच्छा ही होएगा.
क्या बात है. क्या अच्छा सनी, मुझे लग रहा है आपके अंदर शायद एक छुपा हुआ शायर भी है. आई थिंक वो भी निकलेगा. शायर दिखता है मुझे. देखिए, शायरी भी टाइमिंग का खेल है. सही वक्त पे सही शेर निकलना भी, चलो गालिब का ही सही, किसी का लिया वही सही, बट वो भी एक हुनर है. तो क्या बात है. वाह वाह उस चीज के लिए. बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत सही फरमाया आपने. दिस इज अ रियली बिग इशू. मेनी पीपल आर गिविंग अप, गोइंग बैक, एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाट, होल्ड ऑन. सो करेक्ट. आपने एक चीज बहुत सही बोली, ये वक्त भी निकल जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
वही हमें याद रखना है. क्या बात है. ओके, so let's come to the present COVID situation. Lockdown has affected all of us in some or the other way, and there is a news of second lockdown coming, which concerns me more. Which will be enforced. I mean, I don't know. It's apparently looks like that. So how do you manage, and what advice would you have for the listeners and viewers today regarding this COVID situation and lockdown and shutdown and all of that?
See, I mean, social routines have been disrupted for everybody, which is a big thing for most people, which we never experienced in our lifetimes. I think lockdown के दो perspectives हैं. एक है financial और एक है आपका social.
बिल्कुल.
अगर आपका financial set है, then it's not that bad. But financial set नहीं, then obviously you will be much more worried because पता नहीं है कल को rent कहाँ से आएगा, mortgage कहाँ से आएगी, that. So उसमें I cannot comment because every situation is different. But the other one is social. तो social में भी ना दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, introvert और extrovert. एक्सट्रोवर्टों की तो लगी पड़ी है because they need people. तो in that sense I'm lucky because I'm an introvert, so I love staying at home when I'm not doing anything. And also the other good thing is I'm a very lazy person, so unless I have to do something or go out, I don't go out at all. So but other people, luckily this technology that we have, like Zoom पे जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, it kind of makes up for that. And that kind of ties back to what you were saying earlier about the projects. हाँ, किसी इंडस्ट्री में थोड़ा डाउन हो गया है, लेकिन टेक्नोलॉजी ओवरऑल डाउन नहीं हो सकती, बिकॉज नाउ वी नीड टेक्नोलॉजी इवन मोर देन बिफोर. तो अगर कंपनीज अभी हायर नहीं कर रही, इट कुड बी बिकॉज दे आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट द सिचुएशन कि आगे क्या होगा. बट इलेक्शंस हो जाए, जनवरी आ जाएगा, थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग नॉर्मल. जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं इसमें, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट जूम, दिस इज नेटवर्किंग इन्वॉल्व बिहाइंड दिस, दिस ISPs इन्वॉल्व बिहाइंड दिस, तो दिस टन्स ऑफ थिंग्स. तो जॉब्स रहेंगी टेक्नोलॉजी में. बट कमिंग बैक टू योर कोविड थिंग, अभी जो है सो है, मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ इट ना. अगर आप घर में हैं, बीवी बच्चे हैं, तो एंजॉय करो. अगर कर सकते हो मार खाने तो मार भी खा लो, मुझे पता नहीं आपकी सिचुएशन क्या है. बट जो है, जस्ट व्हाटएवर हैपेंस फॉर द बेस्ट. बट हाँ, मीट पीपल, वेयर मास्क, बी सेफ, एंड इट्स नॉट दैट बैड.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने. ये जो आपने अभी एग्जांपल दिया कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ जूम के थ्रू, इसमें नेटवर्क है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन्वॉल्व है, जॉब्स एक इंडस्ट्री में, एक गिवन इंडस्ट्री में जॉब्स का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. बट इफ वी हैव टू लुक एट हाउ रिटेल इज प्रिवेलिंग, हाउ हेल्थ केयर इज प्रिवेलिंग, हाउ EDI is picking up every day, how digital wallet, digitalization in wallets and in online business and e-commerce and web services is only going to boost up. It's only going to increase hope. And सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल ये हो जाता है ना सनी, कि ये कॉन्क्रीट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, ये ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं. आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, मैं एज एन IT कंसल्टेंट ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ. तो उस वजह से भी एक एंजाइटी बहुत हो जाती है लोगों में कि ठीक है ये बोल तो रही है बट पता नहीं कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, बिकॉज WHO तो आके नहीं लिखेगा ना इसके बारे में. तो होप बनाए रखने के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी था. बहुत ही प्यार से आपने समझाया, बहुत थैंक यू. ऑलराइट, सो दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन, बट नॉट द लीस्ट. सो see, anything you would like to say to our candidates, job seekers, or anyone in general, and the segment of customers and viewers today, as you know, I'm core vested in helping anyone and everyone finding jobs and finding better career. And zyadatar mera 80% काम रहता है non-immigrant Asian communities के साथ. But of course the other part, I also help immigrants, but mostly it is non-immigrants, helping them secure a job and helping them with visa services and getting them settled over here, as you know, क्योंकि हमने निधि के साथ भी काम किया हुआ है. तो anything that you would like to tell us?
So I think, given the situation that we are in right now, I think there could be two ways we can see this. One is negatively, like, अरे क्या हो गया, अरे ये भी चला गया, अरे अब ये भी नहीं है, अरे situation, I don't know what's going to happen. That's one way to look at things. The other way is it can make us more grounded, to make us realize what actually is important for us. And I think that's more, if we can realize that, that's really good, not just for this time being, but overall. I know I'm sounding like मुझे सब पता है, लेकिन I am also trying the same thing only, to figure out what the priorities are, like किसको weightage देनी है, क्योंकि what we see is that life आज है कल नहीं है, like tomorrow maybe we don't exist at all, it's finished, it's over, game end. So with that, keeping that perspective in mind, like for example, I'll give you an example. Let's say if you are dealing with some of your people who are job seekers, there could be some situation where they're frustrated with you because you are trying your best, लेकिन कुछ link नहीं हो रहा है. So rather than being frustrated, if you appreciate the other person, like you appreciate the job seekers and they appreciate you, कि हाँ यार, we are working towards the same goal, लेकिन अभी हुआ नहीं है, it just makes things easy. एक्चुअल थिंग चेंज नहीं होती है, इट्स जस्ट आपके दिमाग में कितनी एंजाइटी रहेगी वो कम या ज्यादा होगी. द एक्चुअल रिजल्ट, द फाइनल एंड रिजल्ट विल नॉट चेंज. सो जब चेंज होने वाला नहीं है तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू कि हाउ यू वांट टू एक्ट. तो आई ऑलवेज से समथिंग व्हिच इज, जो नाइकी का लोगो है कि जस्ट डू इट. इफ यू कैन नॉट डू समथिंग हियर, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर अ जॉब टिल यू गेट अ प्लेसमेंट, maybe do something else in the meantime if what you wanted to do, क्योंकि कोई आने वाला नहीं आपके पास कि अरे Mr. Rakesh, why don't you do this? नहीं, you have to do it in the meantime. This is the time.
Correct. Sunny, आप सच्ची में introvert और lazy हो, because मुझे लग रहा है कि you're just trying to be a little generous.
नहीं, मैंने तो, अरे I did that. Remember that there's a test called the Myers-Briggs test, जिसमें वो 4 लेटर निकलते हैं आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के. It's like intro. I have taken that multiple times. Every single time I have come out as an introvert. So I'm definitely an introvert, but it doesn't mean I love talking to people, but if I don't have to, I'll go back and just lay down on my bed.
क्या बात है, ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है आपके बारे में, क्योंकि आज आई थिंक बहुत लोगों को ये बात पता चलेगी, बिकॉज ज्यादातर जो आपके व्यूअर्स हैं, आपके फैंस हैं, आपके लिसनर्स हैं, हम सबको तो यही लगता है कि you're upbeat, you're energetic. We've heard you while driving, we've heard you in at home. काफी बार हम सुनते हैं. मैंने तो personally, I had the opportunity to do the interview with you. INLO came. So
Yes.
that's nice. क्या बात है जी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सनी. दिल तो बिल्कुल नहीं चाह रहा. बातें बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. But time is up. तो बहुत शुक्रिया कि आज आपने हमसे बात की, and thank you so much for your lovely insights about life and about motivation and about yourself. So it was a pleasure talking to you today.
Likewise, and more thanks to you, because जैसे मैंने कहा मैं introvert हूँ, you gave me one more human connection today, so thank you so much for that.
Thank you. So thank you.